the uncertainty and risk, they must consider extensive time and energy are required to study the business idea. It is often difficult to attract customers to a new product, service, or company. Market demand is prevent new business idea, and new business may have very. So, inigabos guys, ano yung disadvantages lang ng starting from scratch. Siyempre, pangapon sa pinakapon, extensive time and energy. Like tapos, siyempre, ako kitang pigugugol na oras, siyempre, kumakaon pa lang kita sa pinakapon. Tapos, it's okay.